talk, you can't stand where I stand.
Walk where I walk.
Watch out! Please, my come, we know about the pop. I know this for a fact. You don't like how I act, you can't say crap. Brothers, they see ya, I will never be ya. Be your officer, you wicked overseer. I tried wanting to improve, be a savior. First show a little respect. Hey ya, change your attitude, change your plan. It can never really be justice on stolen land. You really got peace and equality. With my cars hooked up, you know they gonna follow me. They launch a minimum. You won't even think about real criminal. This got to see, we be getting high. Whoop, whoop, cause it's hard on the police. Whoop, whoop, cause it's now here's a little truth. Open up your eye while you're checking out the boom back. Check the exercise. Take the word overseer like a sample. Repeat it very quickly in a crew, for example. Overseer, 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 officer, 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 officer. Yeah, officer from overseer. You need a little clarity, check the similarity. The overseer rode around the plantation. The officer is on patrol in on his nation. The overseer will stop you what you're doing. Officer will pull you over just. The overseer had the right to get killed. And if you fought back, the overseer had the right to kill. The officer had the right to arrest. And if you fight back, they put a hole in your chest. They both ride horses. After 400 years, I've got no choice. The police have a little gun. So when I'm on the streets, I walk around with a bigger one. I hear it all day, just so they can run the line and be a pull-up. Real hip-hop is. Real hip-hop is. Real hip-hop is. Real hip-hop is. Yo, now, listen to this. You, me, Kenny, my son, Chris. I'm about to take him on lyrical bliss, but teach him about this. I say to listen very close while I rock non-stop. Here's a story about the great man Scott LaRock. I won't confuse it, please, never do confuse it. You can say he was just a man and his music. Hey, when he spit, there's no one darker. Imagine the day that he met Chris Parker. Hey, yo, he started spitting this, and immediately he knew that he was a great lyricist. Yeah, that's right, clearing this. And yo, take the shot up so they can see the back clearing shit. And everybody get a load of me, and what those letters say, the Almighty. Yeah, never forget that, to hit that, anytime that I rock that, supernatural rip rap. Hey, that's right, there's no stopping me. Stop it there, that's Scott LaRock's your biography.